Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
When do people give gifts or presents in your country?
In my country, we mostly give gifts to others on a special day like a birthday, a wedding ceremony, and on an anniversary day. It's a widely followed custom to exchange gifts during the Christmas holidays. We often buy gifts for a classmate, colleague, or a teacher on their farewell days. Besides, we often buy candies to children and flowers to our relatives whenever we visit their house. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.